hiking at Castle Rock. This is my first time being here. So we've been walking on this trail for how long?
I don't know, 3 days.
3 days. No, we've only been probably walking for like an hour. This girl gets easily scared, and well, it's getting pretty dark here. What time is it? It's 12:16, so it's not even
You're wearing a
late
watch?
at all. Yes, I'm wearing a watch. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna just keep vlogging until we get into an interesting spot. So we'll see you guys soon.
Okay, a minute later.
Hey guys, about 5 minutes later, we found our dear friend who left us. Thank goodness there was no snake or anything.
There's a what? I got a message.
Up knowing there's a reason. All my dreams come alive. Life is for living with you.
$5, and it wasn't 5 hours of being lost. It was okay. So we started hiking, and we knew where we were at for I want to say like an hour and a half, maybe even 2 hours, and then like just 3 hours after, like that's when we got lost because we went. Okay, we were supposed to follow the trail, and this girl was like, no, like let's go up the hill. She's talking to her mom. But yeah, so she made us go up this hill. And we were like, me and Danny were like, oh, like let's turn around and go back to the trail.